In this video, I'll show you how to edit a PDF certificate on your mobile phone using a free online PDF editor. First, open your web browser and search for Seja PDF Editor. Open the Seja PDF Editor website. Once the website loads, tap the Upload PDF File button. Select the PDF certificate you want to edit from your phone. Wait for the file to upload. After the PDF opens, you can also use other tools to insert images, add your signature, highlight text, or draw on the PDF if needed. Once you've finished making your changes, tap the Apply Changes button. Wait a few seconds while the website processes your PDF. Now tap the Download button to save the edited PDF file to your phone. Open the Files app or Downloads folder to view your edited PDF. That's it. This is how you can edit a PDF certificate on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.